Welcome back, guys. So, in this session, we are going to discuss a few more problems. This is a homework question that I have for you. So, I am actually assuming that you will not take any more than 30-40 seconds to solve this question. However, this is a good one. I mean, just for concept building and all. So, let's go to this one. This is also an easy one. So, this is also an homework one. So, let me just, give you the highlighted points. So this is a homework problem, and so is the problem, the next one. 4x plus 5x plus 4y is equal to 150, where x and y are positive integers. All possible values of y are. Now see, if you look into this question, you will see the answers. But again, I'm giving you this as a homework, so there's nothing more that we can talk. This is a question that we will, solve in this session. So I want you to pause at this point in time, try out this question as well. This is not a very difficult question. Just see how I will solve such a questions. Okay, so this is effectively my approach, my method. So the question says that is equal to 6. Now please do not get bogged down by the rem bracket 9q. This is as simple as when 9q is divided by 11, it gives me 6 as remainder. Now I want to take you back to your school days. You probably have heard of division lemma, that dividend is equal to divisor times quotient into remainder. So let's say I take a number as 7, so 2 3s are 6, 1. So if any time that you feel that you are not very much confident with the division lemma, and something is popping up in your head and you're like, I can solve it, but then I just don't know how to frame the equation. So this is my method. मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, मैं 7 को डिवाइड करता हूँ 2 से, और मेरे को ये सारी चीजें मिल गए. सो डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इनटू कोशेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. नाउ always remember that dividend is given to us. Divisor is 11. Okay, divisor is also given to us. Quotient I don't know, so I'll assume it k, and remainder is also given to me as 6. Now effectively this is the equation, and this equation is asking you to find out a possible value for q. Now the very first thing that should come into your mind is, this is nothing but plug-in options type question. Plug-in options. So if you have come so far, and if you can actually create this equation 9q is equal to 11 k plus 6, all that is required is that I will put 6. So when I put 6 into this thing, this will become 54. So I can probably write it like this. If q is equal to 6, this becomes 54. 9 6 is 54. 54 minus 6 is equal to 11k. Okay, 54 minus 4 is 50, minus 2 is 48. Now 48 is equal to 11k. Now you know for a fact that 11 will not divide 48. So this cannot be my answer. Okay, so I can actually eliminate this. Similarly, I'll just have to plug in the values of q to understand what do I get. So effectively what I do is, I'll try the first option, I'll try the last option, and then probably I'll try the ones in the middle in between. So let's do that. So I'll just plug in 8. So this will become 72. Okay, I'm just plugging q as 8, and this gives me 9 8 is 72 minus 11, or rather minus 6, is equal to 11k. 72 minus 2 is 70, minus 4 is 66. 66 is equal to 11k. This implies that k is equal to 6. Now k is equal to 6 means what? That k is completely dividing this thing. Now I would encourage you to go and plug in, substitute the value for q as 7 and 4, but eventually you will end up realizing that this is the only value which is q is equal to 8 will only satisfy this equation. Okay, so this is one of the methods of solving this type of question. So again, this is a basic question. I would not consider this as a difficult one. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please like the video, share it. As much as share it, I would ask you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.